This is part 6 of our smart card videos, the manual operation of the bedroom slide out.
Our 2003 Alfa See Ya came with smart cards to get the new owner up and running while they got acquainted with all the features in the motorhome. These were not to replace the manuals, but rather give short, simple instructions to get things running. Normally pressing this button will run the bedroom slide in or out in about 15 seconds. But what happens when it doesn't work? Here are the basics of operating the slide. First, check the switches above the door. The battery disconnects should be in the use position and the lights on. The switch to the right is the slide room safety switch. This should be in the on position. If the slide still doesn't work, then it is possible to operate the slide manually. Outside, behind the right rear wheel are two doors. The one further back and under the gear rack of the slide is the access for the manual slide operation. Inside this compartment are ducts on the bottom and side. But up above the door, not visible looking through the door, is the 5/8 inch hex shaft to manually open or close the slide. When looking through the opening for the slide rack with a light, it can be seen though. I found it by using my phone's camera, pushing it in and using it to find what is up there. A 5/8 inch socket on a long handled ratchet will allow the slide to be extended or retracted. This will take about 5 minutes to fully retract or extend. The smart card on this issue also said that inside the compartment to the right is the motor for the slide, and that I needed to connect the two small black wires to 12-volt power to disengage the brake. I wasn't able to find the 12-volt connection that it was talking about, but it wasn't a problem. The slide still moved in and out with the ratchet and socket as long as the safety switch is on and there is power to the slide. So that's the basics of manually operating the bedroom slide out on the Alfa See Ya. If you have questions about RV living or have suggestions for topics for videos, leave a comment below. We do videos every week and we appreciate hearing from you, our viewers, letting us know what you would like to see.
Thanks for watching our video. If you like what you see, press the like button below and subscribe. And also check out our other videos. Are you ready for this? This is part 6 of our smart card videos. Manual operation of bedroom slide out. Yay!